Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm looking at Arcimoto FUV. So let's go to the chart. Alright, we have had some down move over the little while. Let's go to the monthly chart and probably see it better. Alright, you can see it was way down in the doldrums. It was a penny stock, right? Down $1, $1.50. And we had a huge spike up. And we're retreating off of those highs. And now it looks like you can see some recovery starting to take place. Okay, some of the EVs have been oversold. And this company has a pretty good future. Okay, you can see here, interest has gone way up. And they've recovered off, bouncing off the $8 low. So it's got a pretty good floor, about $8. So I think it's time to make a trade. So what I really want to do is make a longer term play, just to let some of the manufacturing issues work themselves out. So I'm going out to the longest option I can possibly get, January 2022. And I'm selling a put. Okay, so if we work this out, this is about 35% interest on my money, which is outstanding interest rate. Okay? 35%, that's outstanding. There is some risk involved, obviously. It says 31.85% chance I'm going to be losing because they think it's going back to 250. Now, I'm not so sure about that, but I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. Is this company going to go out of business? I don't think so. They have pretty good sales. What else is going to happen? Who knows? It's quite a bit shorted. It's got like 30% short right now. So it could go down or it could go up. I'm betting it goes up. And here's how much I'm betting. I'm buying the call at $12.50. Now, if we go back to the chart, you can see the highs were pretty good. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Let's go back and look at the highs. Highs were like 35. Pretty decent, right? I like the high. I'll take that. Alright, so let's just reload. So let's make this trade. I'm just going to do one option right now. But this is on my radar, and I'm going to be building a position in this over the next couple months. So, be sure to subscribe to the Daily Options Trade to my channel, Investing Money Man, where I go over wealth building techniques and more. Alright, so let's get this trade done. So it might not go right there, but let's just try a little less. Alright, send that off. View the order, it filled. Go back to my positions. And now we can see FUV is in my portfolio. At least until the next 6 months or so. So there's a few options here that I want to look at. That's all I want to do right now. So be sure to subscribe for more of these trades. Because there's a couple other companies like GoEV, Tattooed Chef, Lordstown Auto, Workhorse, we want to go over, that are also shorted pretty hard and could be capitalized upon if Wall Street Bets picks them up like they did with GameStop and currently with AMC. So stay tuned for more from the Daily Options Trade and the Investing Money Man. Thanks for watching.